Here is the most easier cake decoration for a beginner. If you are struggling of how to decorate cake, come with me. After this video, you will thank me later. So this is the cake I'm going to be using. So I have 4 here. If you want a perfect cake decoration, you must trim it. And to all my returning subscriber, you guys are wonderful and amazing. From the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate you all. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be forced to be notified, and we upload this soon again. Let's move on with our cake decoration. So after trimming, this is how it looks like. So this leftover, you will not throw it off. It can be consumed, or you can do justice to it at home. So you can use any color of cake board you desire. So this is the a royal icing I'm going to be using for filling. And if you are interested knowing how to make it, I will put the link of how to make a royal icing. And it will be a blessing to millions. And I believe it will also be a blessing to you also. The foundation must start just like this so that your cake will not wave or fall down on the way. So this is one of the filling you can use. You must not just put your cake without filling. You can use this or other many more things for filling, but for this, on this video, this is what I'm using. If you are finding it difficult to decorate any event cake, this one is the most simplest cake decoration that you can do. Actually, it's really a stress-free cake decoration. So once I arrive at this point, so this from the place that I journeyed, I will use this fondant. I have already microwaved it for 20 seconds. So I will use it to fill it. So by doing this, it will give you a perfect result. So if you are not interested in using this, you can as well use the royal icing. Or if you are using butter icing, you can as well use a butter icing without using this one to fill it. So the next one is this now. I'll go ahead and do the first layer. So when you are doing it, make sure it's not too thick and make sure it's not too light. So I am done. So the next thing I'm going to do, I will just go ahead and take up the excess. So, but I'm not going to spend my time smoothing it until it becomes perfect. Do you know why? Because I'm not doing just a royal icing or a butter icing. I'm going to put fondant on it. But if you are doing a royal icing or a butter icing, so once you are done with the first layers like this, you go ahead for the second layer. You go for the third layer until you see that it's not perfectly smooth. So this is 1 kilo fondant that I'm going to be using to for the covering. Just 1 kilo, and it's very hard. So I will take it to microwave. I will microwave it for 20 seconds. Can you see the difference now? So when you are microwaving it, make sure you are close to it so that it will not become like a elastic or chiclet. So once it's like this now, it's easy to work with. So make sure you have a icing sugar for the surface. So guys, I am done with this. So this is how I'm going to lift it, and I place it on top of the cake gently. So the next thing, I will just use my hand to do justice to it, adjust it to make sure it's well covered. So once this process is done, the next thing, I will go ahead and use this cake smoother. It's called cake smoother to smoothen it. Go ahead and take up the excess from the dough, because this one is not really needed or necessary. So from the edge, when you are done with your cake, you can decorate with it anything that you desire. Oh my God, guys, we are almost done. We are almost done. So this is a tapper. This is what I'm using. So this one is really a stress-free. Instead of you to be cutting, decorating. So what I'm going to use now, I will just use this icing, royal icing. I will make it a little bit more watery. That's it. I will just paste it like this. Oh my God. So this one, you can get it in a cake shop, or there is a special shop also for it where they do tapas. So just search for it around your area. When you don't really have that much time to spend on cake, or maybe your child is doing birthday, your spouse is doing birthday, or your loved one is doing birthday, you can have a different design. It can be, imagine, just anything you desire, just go there, tell them what you want, they will just prepare it for you, and it's very cheap, and you can also get it online. Oh my God, guys, I'm done. I'm done. Even a beginner can do this. Am I right? If this cake, you love what you are saying, and if it's a blessing to you, you see it as a blessing to you, please go ahead and like. Subscribe if you have not done so. Share it. Let it be a blessing to others also. If you watch all to this point, in fact, you are a part of this family. See you soon again for other satisfying video. Bye bye.